Lagi ka bang walang pera kahit may sweldo? Baka may ginagawa kang isa sa 13 reasons bakit broke ang karamihan. Walang budget, sweldo equals gastos agad. Living paycheck to paycheck, sweldo pa lang, ubus na agad. Impulse buying, nakita mo lang na sale, binili mo na. Utang ng utang, credit card dito, pautang doon, hindi nag-iipon. Walang emergency fund kahit maliit. Wrong priorities, gadget upgrade kaysa health insurance. Pakikisama spending, gala at regalo kahit hindi afford. No investment mindset, laging short-term yung iniisip. Lack of financial education, hindi nag-aaral kung paano lumago ang pera. Tinatamad maghanap ng extra income. Alam mo yon, yung sweldo lang ang inaasahan. Another one is too much lifestyle inflation. Yung habang lumalaki yung kita, lumalaki rin yung gastos. Victim mindset, laging may excuse kung bakit walang ipon. Waiting for perfect timing. Pero hindi nagsisimulang mag-ipon o mag-invest. Ano ang dapat gawin? Gumawa ng simple budget plan. Matutong mag-ipon kahit konti. Maghanap ng side hustle o sideline o investment opportunity. Let's keep on learning. Follow me for more content about health, financial, and retirement.